Hello traders, it's the first day we have launched the fast double entry scalper indicator that you are looking at your screen. And this indicator is very accurate for scalping, and we have developed this indicator just for the scalpers. Now I'm going to take you towards the 1 minute chart and let's see that how it's working. Okay, first of all, you need to understand that this indicator is the fast double entry scalper indicator. So what does it mean by the double entry? So for example, if you just look at this on this candle, it has given you a sell signal. You will take your first trade from here, and if the price will go slightly against you, you will add the second trade. And once there is a reversal, you will simply exit your trade, because this is the double entry system, and this has a very high accuracy. Its accuracy is beyond your expectations because it works better on the 1 minute and all time frames. You can use any time frame, but remember that this is the double entry system. Now, for example, look at this. This is your first trade, and if you have added your second trade, there was a reversal. You will simply get rid of both of the trades, and you can make a lot of money just using this indicator. And you can see on the first signal, you are successful here. You don't need to enter into the double trade. Okay, now here you can see there is a first entry, and let's say you have added the second entry, and after that there was a reversal, and you can simply exit your trade. Okay, where you have a perfect bottoms, there is no need to add the second trade. You can see it's working very well, and it will give you a lot of opportunities. Okay, so try your best not to take any signal from the resistance. At least the liquidity should be picked. Like for example, the liquidity was almost slightly picked here, and it has given you a reversal, but the proper reversal come after the second trade. Now it depends on you how you are going to handle this indicator. This is very accurate. This works beyond your expectations. You can see this is another profitable trade. This is another profitable trade. If you talk about this is another profitable trade, a profit. And even if you talk about here double entry system, this is the first trade you have taken, and the price was slightly reversed. You added next, you can see there is a drop. You again made a profit. Even if you don't want to trade anything, you trade just gold, then still you will be making money. You can see this is the buy signal. You added first buy signal, you added first trade, and the price was reversed. You added second trade from here. You can see the price was reversed, and you are going to make money out of it. Okay, so there are a lot of scenarios that I can share. You can see this one. There is a buy signal here. You added your first entry from here. You added your second entry from here. You can see a very clear reversal. Okay, now it's not about the gold. You can trade anything with this indicator. Just look at these signals, how precise and how clear and how practically they are. There is no repaint in this indicator. There is nothing. You can see pound USD, you can see it's likely to drop because now you have added the second trade. Let's say you can see all of the signals. You can see at least they are going to even. Do not think that this is the losing signal. You are still winning on that signal. Why? Because the first trade, you added second trade, and just now zoom your chart and see the price is down, and you are going to make money out of that signal. Okay, so similarly you can use it on any time frame, any asset. I can show you, like if you are a crypto trader, you can trade on Bitcoin, and you can set up the stop loss. Like for example, there is no third trade to be added. For example, this is the profitable trade, because on 1 minute that's a drop. But I'm just telling you that if, for example, if after adding the second trade the price is not reversing in your direction, you can cut your trade. But maximum times you can see this is winning. This is winning. Just look at the USD JPY. This is sell down, buy up, sell down, buy up, sell down, buy up. You can see everything is in front of you. There is no cheating, nothing. This is the real system that we have developed, and also it also provides you with the fair value gaps. So you can, if you want to take the advantage, you can. Okay, so you can see everything is in front of you. There is no repainting, nothing. These signals are a real time after the candle close, and you will be going to make money without any hassle. You can see even if the market is trending and whatsoever, you're still, at least this indicator is giving you a very good chance. Like for example, this is the XPX chart. You can see the buy signal, and you added your second trade. That is why we have set up the name double entry system, and you can see the price is reversed. If you have not made any kind of money so far from trading, then this indicator is for you. And now I'm going to share the 3 minute chart so that you can see each and everything. Okay, now you can see you made a money on that one, you made a money on that one, you made money on that signal, that signal, that signal, that signal. You can see this is the random chart pound JPY. Now let's see what's happened on gold. Okay, on gold, let's talk about the recent signal. Okay, right now you can see it was sell. just look at the price. What happened after that? The price was down. Okay, you can see even this candle was down, and if you have not quit your trade on that candle, the next was down, you made a money. Okay, now let's see. There was a buy signal on gold 3 minute. You can see the price is up. Buy signal, price is up. Buy signal, added the double entry. You can see the price is up. Okay, sell signal, price is down. Buy signal, price is up. Sell signal, price is down. Now, have you seen such type of system before? The answer is no, because almost just look at the 3 minute data. Can you see? Can you think that there is any stop loss condition here? No, there is no stop loss, because if you look at all the signals, they are recovering their money, because at least the market is giving you a chance. Even after that sell signal, you can see there was a drop, and still, let's say if you have not closed your trade, then on the double entry system the price was dropped. So I'm showing you each and everything. Like for example, even if you are like not trading forex crypto, let's say you trade Indian markets. Let me see if there is they are in my watch list. Okay, they are not my watch list. So let's say, let's search bank nifty. Okay, bank nifty. So let's see how it's working on bank nifty. Okay, so I can show you. Okay, now just look at this. This was a sell, this is the buy, this was a sell, this is the sell, and the price was dropped. You can see this is the buy. There was a slight chance here. Okay, do not think that this is a losing one. Okay, you added your first trade from here, you added your second trade from here, at least the price came to the like up to there. So you're at least on average basis your trade must be clear. Okay, so if you have a good money, you can do fast scalping. You can also try aggressive lot size as well. If you have a small account, you can easily grow your accounts without any problem. And this is the world best system that we have created for scalper, because if you ask me, there could be not any other best system that is available on TradingView for scalping. If you are a scalper, if you want to make money, and if you want to make money with any no repaint system that does not lag, then this fast double entry scalper system is for you. And if you want to get the access of this powerful TradingView indicator, then contact through Telegram or email. All official contact options are provided in the description of this video. Thank you very much.